Okay, so hey guys, today our package from Lazada just arrived. We are going to unbox the Ulanzi Cooling Fan. If you notice, I have the ZV-E1 here. This camera is pretty good, but since I live in a tropical climate, specifically in the Philippines, things can get hot if I run it for too long. So it's just gonna unbox this a bit. Thank you, JG Superstore, for the 4-day clearance sale and for keeping this warranty. This video is not sponsored. I just like JG Superstore. I buy most of my stuff from them, so thanks again. So this is the cooling fan. Looks legit. It's the second version. We're using the second version, the one with the clamp instead of the adhesive. First time also iffy about the adhesive, but the CA25 they released the second one, so we're using the black clip version. Let me just open this up. So we got the manual. Who reads that? This is the certificate of quality. So this has quality, and then the actual unit. Okay, so I'm officially excited. I'm gonna try it out, and I'm gonna try it out right now. So it should plop up here. And this is gonna sit upright over here. Let's do a scientific test. If it breaks off, it can fall off. That is evidence that it can fall off, but I don't think anybody uses their camera that way. Let me pick that up. Probably just voided my warranty from that video. Don't tell JG Superstore. So again, let's put it here. Okay, so I think it passed the shake test. So there is no battery, or did I officially break it? I'm gonna try to put a power bank right now. A power bank. Let me pull up their charging cable. Yeah, it's powered on, and plug it there. Oh, so this has charge. So you can see the settings. It's on 1 right now. Can you hear that? Do you hear the fan noise? I think. So I'm gonna put the mic. That's the fan noise. It's as quiet as a mouse. So I think I'm going to try to fully charge this first, and maybe test it out. I noticed that when I unplugged it, the fan got a little bit weaker. Yeah, it's quiet. So I think this is gonna survive. I'm excited to use this. This is gonna let my camera go for more than 30 minutes. It's tropical here, So if you're any serious with your fan needs, I recommend this fan. I've saw a lot of reviews on this already, and you saw the packaging. It's simple, it's straightforward, and I already crashed it the first time. So I think it's durable enough. It's still running, so seems reliable. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.